In this video, I'll show you how to enable WebGL and WebGL 2.0 in Google Chrome, step by step. WebGL is required for many modern websites, online tools, and browser-based games. If it's disabled, certain features may not work properly, or you may see errors saying WebGL is not supported. Let's fix that right now. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click on the three dots. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click on System. Now find the option that says, Use Graphics Acceleration when available. For WebGL and WebGL 2.0 to work properly, this setting must be turned on. If it's off, switch it on and then click Relaunch to restart Chrome. If it's already enabled but WebGL still isn't working, try this quick fix. Turn the option off. Relaunch Chrome. Turn it back on. Relaunch again. This refreshes Chrome's GPU settings and often fixes WebGL issues. Now let's confirm that WebGL is enabled. Click in the address bar and type Chrome//GPU. Press Enter. Scroll down and look for WebGL. If it says Hardware Accelerated, that means WebGL and WebGL 2.0 are enabled and working correctly. If it still doesn't work, make sure your graphics drivers are updated. You're using the latest version of Chrome. Hardware acceleration is not disabled by system policies. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.